Replaced lifters, camshaft in my 2006 TDI. This is the first time me driving it in probably a month. After I replaced the camshaft, I followed the procedure Franco 6 on TDI Club. Everything was going fine. Completed it. Couldn't get my car to start. I bled the tandem pump. I did have some air in there. Bled all that out. Still wouldn't start. Checked the in-tank lift pump. That was low on pressure, so I replaced the lift pump. Still wouldn't start. Replaced the tandem pump. Still wouldn't start. And what finally did it is that I set my injector lash properly. I was doing it wrong this whole time. So when you do your injector lash and you're setting it, you don't thread it in by hand until it stops. You tighten it with a ratchet so you can watch the plunger go down and press the injector. And once you get bottomed out, just like Franco 6 says, you'll back it out 180 degrees, and my car just started immediately. I haven't messed with the torsion value yet. I'm just so happy that it's driving. So if you're having a 2006 TDI that will not start after you replace the camshaft, make sure you've got your cam locking tool and your crank locking tool. You got the timing correct. You've bled all the air out of your lines. What else? After you've bled all the air out, make sure your tandem pump's still putting out the correct quantity per minute. And if that doesn't do the trick, just be sure that you adjust your injector lash with a tool, not with your hand. Because the way I did it, my injectors weren't even being pressed. There was no diesel being sprayed whatsoever. I could have cranked all day and my car would have never started. It doesn't specify that in the how-to online on tdiclub.com, but I suppose it's fairly obvious. But it doesn't say with a tool or with hand tight. I just always been told to be very careful when doing anything with the injectors because they're fragile. So I didn't want to bottom it out and wreck my injector, so I just did it by hand. And then I tightened that lock nut while I was holding the 6mm Allen with my hand. You need to do that with a ratchet. Get the ratchet on there, a 6mm ratchet, turn that Allen head, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. It's going to take a little bit of effort, but it'll continue to turn fine. And then as you see that plunger start to go down to the top of the injector, you see the spring getting compressed, you're going to feel it stop. Back off 180 degrees. And the intake lobe needs to be at the center of the roller. And then on the TDIs, the intake valves are 2, 4, 5, and 7. So exhaust, intake, exhaust, intake, intake, exhaust, intake, exhaust. I hope that helps somebody. Have a good day.